Hello folks, how are you all? This is Nyasis Party from the team of Mission IS. So in this video we'll be discussing about the rebellion of 1831 and how it referenced, how it promoted a significant increase in the growth of British economy, as well as what are the different elements which usually taken place in this coal rebellion 1831. So what is the above given question? What is the question is all about? With reference to coal rebellion in 1831, which one of the following statement is not correct? So which one of the following statement is the incorrect option or incorrect one? So if we discuss about the incorrect one, we should have to make a significant that all the questions should be discussed, then only we can understand which is the wrong option. If you might have read about the rebellion of coal, then you might be getting the answer in your mind. So there is been evaluated, means it has been given the answers directly, but still I'll be discussing each and every topic in detail with you, so that you may not be having such problem in grasping, or in, we can say that, in memorizing, or you can say in remembering. Okay, so option A is the rebellion started due to large scale transfer of land from coal to outside, which is the right option. Then after the British judicial and revenue policy, why it is the right option because the coals, okay, along with tribes, are inhabitant of Chota Nagpur. The trouble in 1931 started the large scale transfer of land from coal headmen to outsiders like Hindu. Okay, so from they have been transferred in a large amount. Okay, large amount been transferred to whom? To the Hindus, Sikhs, and Muslim farmers and moneylenders who were supportive and demanded heavy taxes. Okay, so that's the reason why option A is the correct option. If we discuss about option B, the British judicial and revenue policy badly affected the social condition of the coal. So it is also the right option for the above given question, because besides the British judicial and revenue policy badly affected the traditional condition of the coals, it has been illustrated here itself. Cole resigned his 1831 under the leadership of Buddho Bhagat. Okay, under leadership of Buddho Bhagat, they have been what they have sent. The Cole resigned his 1835 leadership, rebels and killed or beat thousands of outsiders. So it is not by Britishers, not only by Britishers, it is implemented by those, but the coals, because of transferring their lands to the outsider, that's the reason why they have started a rebellion named as coal. Okay, in 1831. So why the option 4 is incorrect? The rebellion was suppressed easily with few military operation in that area. So which is the wrong option, because the mutiny was not suppressed easily. Okay, the mutiny was not suppressed easily after large scale military area, because no, not by few, it in place of few we can write large. Okay, that's the reason why it has been treated as the wrong option for the above given question of coal